Hi, friends. Today I want to talk to you about something that I've been thinking of recently. I've realized that not many people talk about this on social media, at least, but according to me, it's a game changer. I am referring to the subject of spiritual integration. What do I mean by that? In this world of constant talk of healing and spirituality and meditation and retreats and classes and courses and shadow work and a whole lot of other stuff, I find that people are running almost from pillar to post, grabbing at every meditation, chasing every class, attending every course, trying to learn every healing modality without really assimilating anything. And that is why you still feel stuck. That is why you still feel overwhelmed. That is why you still feel as though you're in a loop and can't get out of it. That is why your relationships are not improving. Your health may be still deteriorating because there is no integration. I am not running down the meditations, the retreats, the courses, the shadow work. I think they are all extremely important. But when you go from one to the other without giving yourself a pause in between, you do not give yourself the opportunity internally reappraise yourself in the light of what you have learned. You do not give yourself the opportunity to reevaluate your life. What is working? What is not working? What should you be letting go of? If you took that time to sit back, to assimilate, to do an inner reappraisal process, then what you have learned would make a huge difference in your life. Spiritual integration means ensuring that what you have learned is applied in your everyday life, that you are creating daily rituals that are more positive, that are more self-enhancing, that you are creating changes in yourself, in your responses, in your behavior and attitude that brings to you positivity rather than making you stay in that same negative rut. What you are meant to learn shall come to you. That I can guarantee. But you have to trust in divine timing. It will come to you at that moment when it is most beneficial for you. You may learn a certain healing modality today, but if you are internally not ready for it, the time you have spent learning that modality, the money that you have invested in learning that modality, both of these have come to naught. They are a waste of time and money because you were not ready for it. So take it easy, slow down, breathe, give yourself time in between. You don't have to attend every class and every course and every retreat that is announced. Give yourself a few weeks between two retreats, two meditations, two courses, two classes, so that you're able to take in what they have to offer you. These are invaluable aids to your spiritual growth and evolution. But if you use them incorrectly, then they in fact become hurdles. So breathe, give yourself the time to integrate, give yourself the time to learn, give yourself the time to apply that learning. And that's the way you shall grow. You have no need to rush. You're not here to fix anything. You don't need to chase after this term called ascension. Believe you me, you and I are not going anywhere alone. We are going to ascend as humanity as a whole. So you have enough time. Take that time for yourself. You deserve it.